Hello and welcome. Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this brand new and gorgeous looking Range Rover, available here in the range-topping Autobiography trim and powered by 3-litre P460e plug-in hybrid with the exterior painted in head-turning Carpathian grey metallic colour. Standout features of this model will include the benefit of LED headlights with signature-shaped LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side, 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels will really contrast beautifully. Additionally, signature-shaped LED taillights can also be found in the back, and of course, prominent Autobiography badging and side decals can be found on the side, with a contrasting black roof and a power sliding sunroof as well. Inside the cabin, ebony black leather with contrasting stitching will offer seating for 3, with a Meridian surround system as well. The driver won't be disappointed with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is also heated for additional comfort. Operating the IDD interactive driver display up ahead, there is even a head-up display projection on the windscreen. In the center, the large 13-inch PV Pro system will also operate the Meridian sound system and gives you plenty of entertainment with the likes of 2-zone climate control as well as heated and ventilated front seats. Additionally, built-in sat-nav will ensure you never ever get lost, and for the music fans amongst you, there is FM and DAB digital radio reception. Sub-menu will also unlock for the vehicle wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the heated and cooled seats I mentioned even feature with a 5-stage massage functionality to get really comfortable. Other great features will also incorporate ambient lighting as well as a dynamic eye system, allowing you to optimize the feel of the drive even further. A number of active safety systems will protect you and your occupants at all times, and to help you maneuver and park, there is a 3D surround parking camera system on offer at all times, giving you visibility all around the vehicle. As we move down the cabin, you also find loads of cubby storage with a wireless induction charger and even a cooled glove box in the center to keep your drinks cool as well. Overhead, digital rear view camera is available with an auto dimming function and also electric controls for the sunshade blind.